Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Lincoln MKC key fob battery. First, make sure you have the correct replacement battery, typically a CR2450 coin cell. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or a similar prying tool. Find a clean, well-lit area to work, which helps prevent losing small parts and ensures you can see clearly. This preparation makes the process much smoother. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small release button on the side or back of the fob. Press this button and slide out the emergency key blade. With the key removed, you'll see a small slot or seam. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this opening and gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note or picture of its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2450 battery from its compartment. Now, take your new CR2450 battery and carefully insert it, ensuring the positive side, which often has a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. To reassemble, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Make sure all the internal components are properly seated before gently pressing the halves together until they snap securely shut. Don't forget to reinsert your emergency key blade. Before you go, check the description for some great Kindle deals and other helpful links. Finally, test all the key fob functions, like locking, unlocking, and the panic button to ensure everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.